the testimonials are like the dessert that we show up for. So, let's see, Cynthia, can you go ahead and share with us? It's so nice to meet you. Can you share with us how long you've been on the Purium, the nutrition reset, and then what it's done for you so far?
Hi everyone. I've been on Purium for about 75 days now, and I am just feeling so much better. I have a few autoimmune disorders. I have celiac, fibromyalgia, and CSU. Um, CSU is what brought me to Purium because it was just so um, upsetting. I would wake up with hives every day. My face would swell up, my lips, my throat, my esophagus, even. I felt like I was having a heart attack. And I started getting on like different pharma drugs, which I don't like because I'm usually a very organic, natural kind of girl. So when I got introduced to Purium, my goal was to get off of those medications. So um, after 60 days, I was able to get off one of my medications, of course, with my doctor's um, recommendation. And I haven't had any hives and no swelling of my throat, mouth, anything. So that is like my super big win that I'm so happy about because living with that every day was not fun. And my gut got messed up from being on those drugs. So Purium has really helped me to get my gut back in health. And then bonus, I'm sleeping better than I've ever slept. And my whole life, I don't think I've ever woken up restful before, and I'm 40 years old, so it's a pretty big win for me. And then also with my fibromyalgia, my energy is up. I don't have to sit down every 30 minutes anymore. And I'm a kindergarten teacher, so I have to be active all day long. And it's just really, really been awesome. And it's just so easy. That's the thing, is you don't have to spend hours prepping your food. It's just really awesome, and I highly recommend.
Wow, Cynthia, that was a real treat. Thank you for sharing. Wow, we love it. So I'm gonna just put you on the spot. I have a little question for you, and you don't have to expound too much. I was just curious, like you knew what you wanted results with, but just tell us again, what were the things that you got results with that surprised you? Like, oh, I didn't know that this would even get better. I didn't prep you for this, but you said sleep, and then what about anything else?
Yeah, well, my sleep, like I said, has been the best in my whole life, especially with my fibromyalgia. I would sleep even 12 hours and wake up exhausted. My body aches are pretty much gone, which is huge for fibro, because basically we live with chronic pain every day. And uh, like my hair is growing back, actually. I have some hair growing in, which is pretty cool. And my hormones are more balanced. Like I don't get hot flashes anymore, which is amazing. For, women, that's a huge thing.
Wow, Cynthia. That was so beautiful. Thank you for sharing. Oh, am I echoing? Can you hear me? Oh, shoot. Okay. Well, hopefully it stops now. Maybe it was just while Cynthia and I were talking, but especially being a kindergarten teacher and having to be on your feet and you have to be on your A game all day. And with fibro, I can't imagine how frustrating that was. So, how exciting for you that you can look forward to the future with hope now and positivity.
For more information on the Ultimate Lifestyle Transformation Program, please click the link below in the description, laortega.com/HNS, Health, Nutrition, and Spirituality. Peace and health to you and yours.